Hey everyone, if you want to learn how to draw Blossom from Powerpuff Girls, keep watching. For today's tutorial, I'll be using the Hella Cute liner 9mm liner. For her skin tone, we'll be using Baby Doll. First, I'll be starting off with Blossom's head. It is pretty big in comparison to her body and more of an oval shape rather than a circular shape. For her outfit and her eyes, I'll be mixing these two colors together. For her outfit, it's pretty simple. It's basically like a little square. You just want to make one side a little bit longer so it appears that she's kind of standing at an angle. And then for her hair, I'll be using the Creamsicle liner from the Sweet Pastel collection, releasing April 1st at 8 p.m. Eastern Time at Nails by Dev's website. It is super pigmented and perfect for Blossom's hair. Right now, I'm just placing where her bangs are going to be. They're pretty simple. You just want to have like little triangles in between the fringe. And don't forget to do the hair that's in the back of her. The Powerpuff Girls are honestly pretty easy once you learn all the proportions. I think they're a perfect first character if you've never done cartoon nail art. And using the color blocking method will be perfect for these characters. Once you learn how to draw Blossom, Bubbles, and Buttercup are pretty easy to do. For her bow, I'll be mixing Hello Sidney and Forever Young together. Blossom's bow is pretty straightforward, just follow whatever your reference picture looks like. It's relatively the same in all pictures of Blossom. Super simple, super easy. And now we can start working on her facial features. All the Powerpuff Girls have pretty big eyes, so I just like to sketch out where the eyes will be, and then I will go in and do her pupil color and her eye color. So I'll be using the same color that I used for our outfit for her eyes. Now that everything is color blocked, we can go in with line work. For the facial features, I will keep the line work very thin, but when I line the outside of her, I like to make it bold so she stands out and looks more cartoon-like. And then work smarter, not harder. For the little pupils, just use a dotting tool. It's so much easier than drawing it. And then to level up your character, I like to go in with some shading, but only shade where it would make sense. Don't just throw in lines anywhere. And there you have it, Blossom from the Powerpuff Girls. Thank you for watching. Let me know what character you want to see next.